Hey everyone, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to talk about something simple but important, the symptoms of bad spark plugs. Let's get right into it. Check engine light 1. Of the first and easiest signs to look for is the check engine light. If it comes on, don't panic. Just take your car to a local auto parts store like O'Reilly AS or AutoZone. They'll usually run a diagnostic scan for free. If the code indicates a misfire, there's a good chance bad spark plugs are the cause. Rough idling. If your engine feels rough while the car is stopped, like it's shaking or vibrating more than usual, that could be a symptom of bad spark plugs. When spark plugs aren't firing properly, it can lead to uneven engine performance, especially when the vehicle is idling. Decreased fuel efficiency. If you're noticing a drop in your fuel economy, your spark plugs may be to blame. Worn or damaged spark plugs can't ignite the fuel mixture efficiently, causing your engine to burn more fuel than it should. Lack of acceleration. If your car feels like it's lost power or takes longer to accelerate, bad spark plugs could be the culprit. Think of it this way. If your engine has 8 cylinders and only 6 are firing correctly, it's like trying to do a job meant for 8 people with only 6. You'll feel the difference in performance. Hard starting or no start. If your car cranks but won't start, spark plugs might be the issue. Many people immediately think of the battery or fuel system, but bad spark plugs can prevent the engine from firing up properly. For instance, in a 4-cylinder engine, if only one cylinder is firing, the engine simply won't run efficiently or might not start at all. In summary, here's a quick recap of the common symptoms of bad spark plugs. Check engine light, especially for misfires. Rough idling. Poor fuel economy. Weak acceleration. Difficulty. Starting or no start. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Take care, and I hope the rest of your day is amazing.